Mendes Laser Solutions, or TLS, is a Japanese-owned company specializing in laser cutting process, high-precision machining, and on-spec fabrication. Established in 2005, and from then on, garnered a slew of clients from the local and international private sectors. TLS imbibes the philosophy coming from the Japanese saying, Wara ukadu niwa fuku kitaru. This means smiles bring happiness, and this brings prosperity and peace, and we have done so in every client interface that we do. It is the vision of TLS to be the top of the game by providing flawless workmanship, highly competitive costs, and the fastest possible turnaround time of delivery to customers. And in 2008, TLS Incorporated launched its Machining Center, a milestone in providing a wider array of solutions to its customers. With the latest CNC machines, combined with the expertise of our engineers and the power of Delcam software, our machining department is very capable of handling a wide range of projects. With the advanced technology and highly competitive staff, TLS Inc. is one of the leading contract manufacturing in the Philippines, providing quality service, on spec, and on time. This is what TLS Incorporated is all about, bringing high technology to every industry in the name of art, science, technology, and efficiency. Creation. The act of making something. Much so with TLS, creation is translated to metal fabrication, which is the building of metal structures by cutting, bending, and assembling processes. TLS offers assembly or joining of all other services that we offer, from laser cutting, machining, to bending, and a slew of other services. The assembly process may involve welding, use of binding adhesive, and riveting. The fabrication process may also include finishing. TLS can offer various finishes like powder coating, sandblasting, and acrylic painting. At TLS, metal fabrication through various processes, bending metal like stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, copper, brass, among others, welding of stainless steel and mild steel, tapping or threading of holes from M3 to M12, buffing with either hairline finish to mirror finish, assembly like racks, fixtures, custom-made linkages and brackets, and machining that uses processes like chamfering, rimming, boring to achieve the final product. And that is how metal fabrication from TLS can bring forth our lives into a whole new light. And in all metalworks, what TLS assures is the quality of craftsmanship it gives to each and every product output the customers truly deserve. TLS implements control and measures so that the items and products are to the specifications of the customer. TLS uses calibrated measuring instruments to check workpiece. TLS has a mathematical measurement known as coordinated measuring machine, the measuring of the physical geometrical characteristics of objects that may be controlled manually or via computers. TLS quality assurance ensures repeatability, that duplications of objects are done without errors. Thus, in every metalwork, each finished product from TLS are crafted with utmost quality, precision, creativity, and functionality. With TLS, it is guaranteed that customers will never look at metals the same way again. The Machining Center of TLS is very capable in working on complex shapes and high-dimensional tolerances. Smooth finish is achieved, and it can produce almost any 2D or 3D shape relatively at low costs, using the latest HAS CNC machines with state-of-the-art software. Combined with the expertise of our engineers, our machining department is very capable of handling a wide range of projects. And TLS can process most rigid materials, including most metals. TLS also processes hard plastics and other materials. With the Machining Center of TLS, possibilities of concepts in the mind shall turn into wonderful realities. Laser cutting. a technology that uses a laser to cut materials and is now typically used for industrial manufacturing applications. Laser cutting works by directing a high-powered laser beam manipulated through a computer onto the material to be cut. The material then either melts, burns, vaporizes away, or is blown away by a jet of gas, leaving an edge with a high-quality surface finish. Industrial laser cutters are used to cut flat sheet material. TLS in the Philippines is a primary name in high-precision laser cutting. With TLS, the high-power density in the spot of a focused laser beam melts almost anything in a fraction of a second. It produces small cut widths that make any shape possible. The end result is very minimal to no distortion to the workpiece. TLS has taken this a step further by developing a special nozzle that enables us to increase the power of the laser output with the accuracy of 0.2 mm and raise our efficiency by more than 150%. This translates to flawless workmanship, optimum costs, and faster turnaround time. With this, TLS creates endless possibilities with laser. TLS creates solutions that have never seen light before. Bending. From the time one can remember, metals are bent as vital components of almost every item used in everyday lives. For TLS, bending is a serious task. Its bending machines are developed for high flexibility and low setup times. These machines are able to bend single pieces as well as small batches with much precision and efficiency. This is because the machines are manipulated through the computer software and also with the aid of kinematics. The machine can be customized and extended later on without any conversion. That means the basic machine delivers a bending stroke. The tool determines the kind of bending. The kind of high-precision bending appropriate to each and every metal part that require for various machines and objects to function with utmost performance. TLS can bend these realities, making things in everyday lives, from small to large magnitudes, a whole lot better. Better functionality, better time efficiency, better safety, and to sum it all up, better lives. TLS brings this forth to each and every possible industry that needs a whole new light of bending. Heat. One of the great sources of energy that TLS has utilized to another level of power. The controlled heating and cooling of metals to alter physical and mechanical properties without changing the product shape. Heat treatment is sometimes done inadvertently due to manufacturing processes that either heat or cool the metal, such as welding or forming. It is often associated with increasing the strength of material, but it can also be used to alter certain manufacturability objectives to improve machining, improve formability, restore ductility after a cold working operation. As a result, it enables versatility in manufacturing process and improves product performance by increasing strength and other desirable characteristics. Heat treatment is applied to metals to increase its hardness. This process involves heating up the metal to certain temperatures depending on the target hardness and cooling down the hot metal by immersing in oil. Metal hardness is measured with the use of a hardness tester. The versatility of metal is made through preheating, hardening, quenching, and tempering, and giving the ideal strength and hardness of the metal. With all these heating processes, metals are recreated to a multitude of functionalities that contribute to making every other factors of life better. TLS provides service to virtually all types of industry needs and requirements. What's more, TLS firmly believes and adheres to putting the customers always first. More than the state-of-the-art technology we offer, it is in our manner of giving service that we lay our premium. Cutting edge. The cutting edge of providing laser cutting, machining, bending, and heating with the most authentic positive disposition put in every work, in every industry, with the services that TLS Incorporated provides, with the best machines producing best outputs. One can say that possibilities are virtually limitless. In every conceived need, in every created want, TLS can provide the tangible reality. T&S, Laser Solutions Incorporated, the name that is truly cutting edge. T&S.